Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into holistic health hacks for ultimate preparedness. We're talking about empowering yourself with the knowledge and tools to not just survive, but thrive in any situation. Think of it as equipping your body's natural defenses, understanding the power of nature's medicine cabinet, and cultivating a resilient mindset. This isn't just about patching up problems, it's about building a foundation of strength from the inside out. Prevention is the best medicine, and self-care is the cornerstone of a strong immune system. We're talking about fueling your body with nutrient-rich foods, prioritizing quality sleep, and incorporating regular physical activity into your routine. Think of these practices as investing in your health capital. Just like you'd save for retirement, you're building reserves of resilience and vitality. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body and mind. Imagine your immune system as a complex network of defenses, constantly working to protect you. By adopting a proactive approach to self-care, you're essentially providing your body with the resources it needs to function optimally. This isn't about deprivation or strict regimens. It's about finding sustainable habits that you genuinely enjoy and that fit seamlessly into your life. Maybe it's swapping sugary drinks for herbal teas, incorporating a brisk walk into your daily commute, or simply taking a few moments each day for mindful breathing. These seemingly small changes, when practiced consistently, can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's an act of empowerment, enabling you to show up as the best version of yourself. Nature provides an incredible array of medicinal plants, a veritable pharmacy waiting to be explored. We're going beyond just knowing their names. We're talking about understanding their properties, how to identify them in the wild, and how to prepare them for effective natural treatment. Think of it as reconnecting with the ancient wisdom of herbal medicine. Imagine stepping outside your door and recognizing plants that can soothe a burn, ease a cough, or boost your immunity. This isn't about replacing conventional medicine, but about expanding your toolkit with natural remedies that have been used for centuries. It's about understanding the synergy between nature and our bodies. Learning about medicinal plants empowers you with the ability to take charge of your health in a profound way. Imagine foraging for wild herbs, drying them to preserve their potency, and creating your own natural remedies. It's a deeply satisfying and empowering process, connecting you to the earth and its healing power. But remember, responsible foraging is key. We'll explore ethical harvesting practices, ensuring the sustainability of these precious resources for generations to come. It's about respecting nature's abundance and approaching it with a sense of gratitude and responsibility. In the midst of chaos, mental and emotional well-being are your anchors. We're talking about mastering practices like meditation, yoga, and mindfulness to manage stress and anxiety, cultivate inner peace, and enhance mental clarity. Think of it as building an internal fortress of resilience, able to weather any storm. Imagine your mind as a muscle capable of being trained and strengthened. Meditation, for example, is like a mental workout, enhancing focus, reducing stress hormones, and promoting emotional regulation. It's about creating space between your thoughts and your reactions, allowing you to respond to challenges with greater composure. Yoga, with its combination of physical postures, controlled breathing, and mindfulness, offers a holistic approach to well-being. It's about finding balance, flexibility, and strength, both physically and mentally. Imagine flowing through a series of poses, feeling your body release tension and your mind settle into a state of calm alertness. These practices aren't just about relaxation. They're about empowering you to navigate life's complexities with greater clarity and resilience. It's about cultivating a deep sense of inner peace, a wellspring of strength to draw upon in times of need. Preparedness isn't a solo mission, it's about coming together as a community, sharing knowledge, resources, and skills. We're talking about creating a network of support where everyone contributes their unique strengths. Think of it as building a collective shield of resilience, where everyone benefits from the collective wisdom. Imagine a community garden where neighbors share seeds, gardening tips, and the bounty of their harvest. It's a microcosm of what's possible when people come together with a common purpose, supporting each other and sharing their expertise. Knowledge is a powerful tool, and when shared, it multiplies exponentially. Think about organizing workshops on herbal medicine, first aid, or sustainable living practices. It's about empowering individuals within the community to become resources for one another, fostering a sense of collective responsibility. This isn't just about sharing practical skills, it's about fostering a sense of belonging, connection, and mutual support. It's about recognizing that we're stronger together, able to face challenges with greater resilience and resourcefulness as a united front. In a world of constant change, adaptability and resourcefulness are essential survival skills. We're talking about understanding how various natural remedies and health practices can be adapted to different situations, making the most of what's available. Think of it as becoming a master of improvisation, able to think on your feet and find creative solutions. Imagine encountering a situation where your usual resources are limited. Having a diverse toolkit of knowledge about natural remedies empowers you to improvise, using what's available to address the need at hand. It's about developing a MacGyver-like mindset, able to see potential solutions where others see only obstacles. Resourcefulness is about maximizing what you have, whether it's using a bandana as a sling, repurposing old containers for storage, or finding alternative uses for everyday items. It's about developing a keen eye for potential and a willingness to experiment. This isn't about deprivation, it's about embracing creativity and innovation. It's about seeing limitations as opportunities to explore new possibilities, to push beyond conventional thinking and find solutions that work in the given circumstances. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground, from bolstering your body's natural defenses to harnessing nature's healing power, from cultivating mental resilience to building a supportive community. Remember, ultimate preparedness isn't just about stockpiling supplies, it's about cultivating a mindset of resilience, adaptability, and resourcefulness. Visit preparemagazine.com and join the community. It's about empowering yourself with the knowledge and skills to thrive in any situation.